Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are already here, you might as well go ahead and just subscribe to my channel. You'll be one of the first to see what I am about to load up, or I'm just load up. Alright, this is a requested recipe. You guys wanted me to make a fast and easy cheese paste, and I'm going to show you how I make mine in my kitchen for my family. So if you want to see how I put this thing together, come on and let's go. Okay guys, I have about a cup and a half of sharp cheddar. I'm not going to make a lot today. I'm just going to make a small batch. So I'm using a cup and a half of sharp cheddar cheese right there. And I'm also going to add some onions to that, about a teaspoon of grated onion. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of green and red pepper, sweet pepper. And guys, you're also going to need milk. I'm going to be using my lactose milk because I'm lactose intolerant. But you can use whatever you have in your... Now let's see else what I'm going to put in this. I have a half a teaspoon of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning right there. Half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to make this thing so simple. Even a baby can do it. Also, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. Guys, if you put mayo in there, you got to make sure you keep it in the refrigerator if you have leftovers. Now that it's summertime, it will go bad on you if you leave it out. So make sure you refrigerate it if you have leftovers. Okay? I'm also going to add a tablespoon of mustard right there and a teaspoon of vinegar. Julia don't cook without vinegar. Vinegar good for you from the inside out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce to it. You can skip the hot sauce, but I'm going to put the hot sauce because hubby love it spicy, and I'm going to make it a little bit hot, a little tangy. The sauce is not too hot, just a little tangy, and that's what I'm looking for. So let's put this together. 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to add my green pepper and my red sweet pepper in there. Also going to add my onion. And all of that right there, guys, is 1 tablespoon of each. Based on the amount of cheese that I'm using. Like I said before, I'm not making a whole lot. I'm just making a small amount. Just for Abby and I. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I'm just going to put a couple of splashes of that hot sauce because I don't want it hot. I'm not going to measure that, but I just splash it in there. And also I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. So I'm just going to mix this in. So okay guys, this looks pretty good. The more you spin it though, mix it up. The more you mix it up, it will get more smoother. I like to feel a little bit of that cheese still in there. Okay, but this paste is pretty good enough for me. The hubby don't like it smooth like that, and my daughter don't like it too smooth either. But you could just keep using the back of your spoon and just mash it, and you will get all of the chunks out. Alright, but I'm going to leave mine just like this. See? That's the texture of mine. That is my texture right there. But that's all I need. I don't need nothing more than this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on a sandwich and let you guys see what that looks like on a sandwich. Okay guys, here I have my wheat bread. If you have any kind of bread, you can go ahead and use it, but I'm choosing to use wheat bread in mine. Okay, so all you gotta do is make sure you take off them sides. Okay, and so now I'm gonna get my spread in there. Yum, yum, yum. Cover it over like that. And you cut it in the middle. And there you have it, guys. My cheese paste, or my cheese spread on a sandwich on wheat. And that is how I do it in my kitchen. Right there. As you can see. It's really yummy. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, share, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.